Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 6:30.
It's 6:30, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, my name is Phương. Nice to meet you.
My name is Smile. Nice to meet you too.
Nice name.
Thanks. Your name is good too.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
So you're 20 years old, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Where do you come from, Mai?
I come from Vinh City.
So you come from Vinh City, don't you?
Yes.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 2 years.
So you've been here for 2 years, haven't you?
Yes.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, but not very much.
Not very much.
Right.
How often do you visit your family?
Twice a year. I visit my family twice a year.
Twice a year?
Yes.
How far is it from here to your house?
About 300 kilometers. It's about 300 kilometers from here to my house.
About 300 kilometers?
Right.
How do you usually go home?
By coach. I usually go home by coach.
By coach?
Yes.
How much does it cost you to go home by coach?
About 200,000 Việt Nam đồng. It costs me about 200,000 Việt Nam đồng to go home by coach.
About 200,000?
Yes.
And how long does it take you to get there?
About 6 hours. It takes me about 6 hours to get there.
About 6 hours?
Yes.
May I have your phone number?
Yes, of course. It's 0987.
It's 0987?
Yes, 706.
706?
Yes, 621.
621?
Yes, it's 0987 706 621.
So your phone number is 0987 706 621, isn't it?
That's right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How about you? What's your phone number, please?
My phone number is 0968.
It's 0968.
Yes, 249.
249.
Yes, 086.
086.
Yes, it's 0968 249 086.
So the phone number is 0968 249 086, isn't it?
That's right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Thật do.